There's this tool that's just blowing up online right now. It's an open source platform called n8n, and it's getting people super excited about what's next for automation and AI. Today, we're going to break down its incredible power, but also a really critical warning that every single user needs to hear. I mean, just look at the community hype. It is totally off the charts. People are calling it a beast, a true dev stream, because it's just so powerful and flexible. You know, it's even converting the biggest skeptics out there. We're talking about people who've spent their whole lives hating on no-code tools, and suddenly they're finding that n8n is completely changing how they think. And then you get comments like this, people calling it the GOAT, the greatest of all time in this space. The message is pretty clear. If you can dream it up, you can probably build it with n8n. So what's all the excitement about? Okay, let's get into it. The real magic here, the thing that's getting everyone so fired up, isn't just about basic automation. It's about building something way, way smarter. AI agents. These are systems that can actually think, reason, and act all on their own. So, what's the big difference? Well, think of a regular automation like a robot on an assembly line. It does the exact same thing, over and over, no questions asked. An AI agent, though, that's more like a master craftsman. It can look at a situation, take in new information, and make a smart judgment call right on the spot. Let's make this super simple. Imagine you want to automate watering your garden. The old school automation way is just to set a timer, right? Every day at 6 p.m., boom, the sprinklers turn on. It's simple, it's consistent, and it works. Most of the time. But here's the catch. What happens if it's been raining all afternoon? Your simple timer has no idea. It's just following orders. So it waters the garden anyway, which wastes water and might even flood your plants. It just can't adapt. Okay, now imagine an AI agent is running the show. This agent can check the local weather forecast, pull data from a soil moisture sensor, and it even knows what kind of plants you're growing. It takes all of that live data and makes a decision, almost like a human would. Hey, it just rained, the soil's already wet, so I'm going to skip watering today. Now that is the power of an agent. So how in the world does our little garden agent connect to the weather app, the soil sensor, and your sprinklers all at the same time? Well, it uses a kind of universal translator for computers, which is this thing called JSON. Think of it as the common language that lets all these different apps and services talk to each other so they can work together to make those smart decisions. And this ability to connect everything, your email, your company database, literally hundreds of apps, is what makes n8n so incredibly powerful. But, and this is a huge but, with all that amazing connectivity comes a very real and very serious danger. Not long ago, the official National Computer Emergency Response Team put out a critical security advisory specifically about n8n. And when you see an official notice that looks like this, it is absolutely time to sit up and pay attention. The vulnerability they found was given a score of 10.0. To put that in perspective, the scale only goes to 10. That's it. It doesn't get any higher. This is the cybersecurity equivalent of a DEFCON 1 alert. It is as critical as it gets. And let's break down why it's so bad. An attacker can do this from anywhere in the world, over the internet. They don't need a password, they don't need special access, and this is the really scary part, they don't need you to click on anything. It's a wide open, direct path right into the system. And if an attacker gets in, well, the impact is catastrophic. We're not talking about a small problem, we're talking full system compromise. They could take over all your automations, steal every single password and API key you have stored, and expose all your sensitive data. They could even use your n8n setup as a jumping-off point to attack everything else on your network. You know, the advisory also points out that this wasn't just some one-off fluke. There's been a pattern of these critical vulnerabilities popping up. And what that means is that bad actors are actively targeting n8n. It's on their radar, which makes security a top priority for every single user. So here's the bottom line. As a user, you're now facing a really important choice. It's a dilemma that boils down to a classic trade-off. Do you want total control, or do you want managed convenience? And the path you choose has huge implications. You've basically got two main options here. First, there's n8n Cloud. It's their paid service, it's easy to set up, and most importantly, the n8n team handles all the security updates for you. Then, there's the self-hosted option. It's free, you get full control, your data lives on your own servers, but, and this is the big one, you are 100% responsible for security. That means installing critical patches the second they're available. So, with that critical difference in mind, let's figure out which one of these paths might actually be the right one for you, depending on your skills, your resources, and how much risk you're willing to take on. Self-hosting can be a fantastic option, but it's really for developers and people who are comfortable in a technical environment. It gives you ultimate freedom, but you absolutely must have the know-how and the discipline to manage your own server security and patch it immediately. When you self-host, you are the security team. That's on you. Now, if everything I just said sounds like a total headache, then n8n Cloud is almost certainly the way to go. It's perfect for solo creators, small teams, or really anyone who just wants to focus on building amazing things without having to be a part-time system administrator. It's all about that peace of mind. Look, at the end of the day, n8n puts a truly extraordinary amount of power right at your fingertips. The power to build intelligent systems that could completely change how you work and live. So the question you really have to ask yourself isn't just what cool thing will I build, it's how am I going to protect it?